Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an update for the project polish. And also this one is an exciting one because I finished the shade. And that's me already giving things away because I'm pretty sure you guys know what shade that is. So let's just show you guys right now. China Glaze Ruby Palms. I'm wearing it on my fingernails right now and also on my toenails. I put it on for the very last time today and there really isn't enough left in here for more applications. So this one is completely done. It took me a little while to get through this, but I did it. But these China Glaze bottles are 14 mils or 0.5 fluid ounces. So there definitely is a good bit of product in here as well. And I'm just excited that I managed to get through this, which means I've got 2 shades done at this point. And hopefully I'm starting to build up that momentum to at least finish off a few more. I think most of the time I've got like around 5-6 shades. Let's see if we can still do that this time around. Now, because I was focusing on that one a lot, and actually the nail polish that is in the Panner's Pan project, I didn't really use all the other shades very much. I don't think I've touched either one of those, even though my goal is kind of to use these at least once every single time. I was wearing glittery shades, so I didn't really need to use these very much. So yeah, that is what happened as well. I don't think I used them. So this is Catrice's Have a Nice Day, and this is China Glaze White Cap. And yeah, I haven't really used either one of them. I'm kind of thinking whether maybe I should just try and focus a little bit more on White Cap over the next couple of months to see if I can at least kick this one out by the end of the year, which means that I'm gonna like just take a step back maybe from this one. But we'll see how things go and how I feel when I'm going through everything. 2 other shades that are in here and that I don't think I've used, at least not enough to make a new marking. If anything, I may have used them once. This is Catrice Am I Blue or Green, which is kind of my summery springy shade. Like I have said before, it looks like we're kind of getting into fall already at this point here. So this is definitely going to be my next focused shade, and I'm kind of halfway on this guy. So like I'm secretly hoping that in 2 months or so I might be able to get through all or at least most of this, but let's see. This guy has been in since the start of the year. I haven't made a lot of progress on this one yet because I've just been focused on other things. But this is the Orly nail polish in, it's not rocket science. And I still really like this shade. It's just there's other things that I've been trying to focus on first. So this one will go back into the rotation again right now. It was in there, but only like for maybe 1 use. I've definitely made more progress on the Catrice shade in the last couple of months, I mean, than I did on this one. But because this is kind of a green with a like golden, bronzy, bluish multi-chrome to it, I think this will work really well in fall still as well, because it has the warm tones and in a way it's almost a changing leaf type of thing, although the leaves don't turn blue. But yeah, with the gold and the bronze, that also is kind of in here. So I think this one will be great for fall, and I want to say I have no worries that I will be able to use this up. I don't know whether I will be able to use this up this year, but I'm gonna try. I made some really good progress on some of the other shades once I really started focusing on them, and once I have finished off the shade that is in the Panner's Pan project, that will give me a little bit more space to focus on the shades in here as well. So yeah, that's the plan. This will be a fall shade, so it might not show up as much like maybe next month yet, but after that I think it will be on my nails a lot more. And then because I finished one off, I really only have like 2 more color shades to work on. I've decided to roll in something new, and I decided to go with this guy. This is the Berry M nail paint in Coral. Like I didn't want to completely let go of summer yet, but I also didn't want to go with something that was like too bright and I probably wouldn't feel like wearing in like either fall or winter. So I thought if I go with something that has like kind of those orange tones, then they will be great for fall as well. The Berry M polishes are a little bit smaller. They're 10 mils, which I think, what is in the Catrice one? Catrice is 10 mils as well. So these are kind of a similar size, and I can go through them definitely a little bit more quickly than the China Glaze or Orly polishes, so I have hope that I can still get through most of this by the end of the year, and it will be a really good shade for fall as well if I feel like something like nice and warm and like proper fall like, because I feel like I've been kind of either still working on summer shades or like dark winter shades, and I never really get that fall vibe with like the orange, so I'm excited to wear this one both in summer and in fall. And yeah, that is my new one that is rolling in. I'll show you a little swatch of it actually, because I have swatched it on the wheel. This is what it looks like when I have it swatched out. And yeah, 2 polishes gone right now. So these 2 are gone. I still got the Orly shade, the 2 glittery shades, and my blue or green. So that is my palette right now without the red that's on my actual nails. And that's what I'm going to be working with. Yeah. I'm excited about the new shades, but like I said, I think this is going to be my focus shade, so that is what you will see on my nails the most, and then I'll probably just be switching between those other 2 a little bit while also trying to get some proper progress in that shade that is in the Planner's Pen project. And because I'm working with like a cream shade again, I know I can hit that goal of using these at least once, and very likely I can actually use them more than once, which would be nice. So yeah, that is all for today. I hope you guys liked watching this video, and I hope to see you in one of the next ones. Bye bye!